Hello, Just Food Pinasarap subscribers. We are here again to show you how to cook this very simple Filipino cuisine, that is Kutsinta. Previously, I introduced how to cook this Arabic bread, this very famous bread in Arabic, especially in the Middle East. So now, back to Filipino cuisine. So hope you will enjoy watching. Let me show you how. Yan naman na. So it's very simple. We have cornstarch or tapioca flour, 1 cup. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And then 1 cup of sugar. So as you notice, I'm using dark brown sugar to make it healthier. So I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of water. And then let's mix. Simple. So here's the mixture. As you notice, we didn't use any food color because in my channel, it should be pro health. So I didn't use food color. It's just like dark brown sugar to make the Kutsinta color brown. And I didn't use lime water. So to make it healthier, I just use this tapioca starch. Okay? So I'm preparing the mold cup for cooking. I'm just putting grease so that it will not stick. It will not be sticky. Okay? So once done, we will put the mixture here. So here's the mixture. We will put this in the cup and then we will start cooking in the steamer. Okay? It's easy. Like this. So, in a steamer, we will put it one by one. Okay? And we will wait for 10 minutes to cook. As simple as that. Effortless, right? So, it's about 10 minutes. So, let's check our Kutsinta. Jaran! Can you focus the camera? See? It's done. It's like color brown. It's very yummy and delicious. Natural, healthy Kutsinta. Yes! This is our cooked Kutsinta. Okay? So I'm gonna remove it from the cup like this. Very nice. So one by one, we will put in a plate. But for now, I cannot resist. I want to eat. So I'll just have a bite. Okay? Kutsinta for you, for everyone. So yummy. Try it for yourself. Bye-bye.